Hi, my name is Redentor Beltran and I'm a mechanical fitter here in New Zealand at Leader Brand Press Produce. I was working in Middle East and I decided to apply in New Zealand in order for me to bring my family and to migrate here. And luckily I was chosen I choose to use Recruit NC and because the way they look after the clients all the way to the recruitment process, they care about the applicant, and they are very kind and easy to talk to. You can communicate with them easily, and Recruit NC has been amazing because the process was smooth and seamless, and it took me around 3 months from the time I applied and I moved to New Zealand and started in my role. What I like about working with Recruit, they are a reputable company and that look after their clients. The communication was excellent, and I am happy because I now have the job that I want. I am very happy living in this beautiful country with so many opportunities. I would definitely recommend Recruit NC to my friends and colleagues back home. Thank you very much. God bless, especially to Miss Kerry and Miss Rasul. And thank you very much, madam. God bless you all.